In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Flipgrid. Flipgrid is a website that we can use to record short videos. We can answer questions in these videos and share our ideas. Our first Flipgrid is going to be today. It's in our morning meeting tab, and you're watching the video about it right now, but down here under the Tuesday block is Flipgrid Tell Us Tuesday. Just click on that. And then you're going to go to an assignment in your Google Classroom. Before you go any further, make sure you write down this password on a piece of paper. It starts with a capital letter, has the symbol, and the numbers there. Click on Flipgrid, enter that password here. Click Let's Go, and then you'll see our class, 5-19-20. I'm going to go down. It says, say hello and share a fun fact about yourself. Our question, though, is tell us what your favorite toy is. So you can see down below, I've already added something, but I'm going to add another one. Click on the plus button and then log in with Google. It will make sure you're in the right account. Click on your name, and then you can record yourself. To record yourself, just click on this video camera here. Hi, this is Miss Fife. I'm just practicing how to enter a video into Flipgrid. And by the way, my favorite toy today is Legos. I love to play with Legos because you can build great things and then tear them apart and start all over again. After I finish my video, I click on Next, and it will ask.
Hi, this is Miss Fife. I'm just practicing.
It'll review my video. Click on Next, and then you're going to take a selfie. So get your camera ready and click on the camera button. And then you can click Next. If you don't like it, you can redo it. I like that one better. So I'm going to click Next. And it says don't close the window yet. You can put your name there. I'm going to say Mrs. Fife and submit my video. And it tells me I did a good job. And now if I go back, if I close this, I can go back and I can see this is my first video I did. Here's another one. And when you come back to Flipgrid, you will see all your friends' videos. All right, have fun.